happiness is sharing good food at a cozy place, creating beautiful and lasting memories with the people who matter most. Hello, fellow food trippers! Please join us on this food trip for a delicious dinner at Sambo Kojin, a well-known eat-all-you-can Japanese buffet featuring a smokeless grill and an amazing sushi bar right here at West Avenue, Quezon City. At Sambo Kojin, you'll experience an exceptional dining experience with their enticing BUFFET COLLAB, a dining buffet collaboration with over 200 food choices that brings together the best from Dad's World Buffet, specialties from Kamayan, and the classics of Saisaki, featuring global flavors in one place. And yes, you can enjoy all these back-to-back with their reservation promo, where a prior reservation is required for a discounted buffet rate. The Japanese station is a true highlight here at Sambo Kojin. Here you'll find a mouth-watering lineup, starting with simmered salmon head, spicy chicken wings, and the ever-popular katsudon. Don't miss the crispy delight of salmon kawa karaage and the variety of tempura, nasu, mixed veggies, kani, ebi, and more. We complete our cravings with yaki-mesi fried rice and warm up with the flavorful ramen noodle soup. Must-tries include yakisoba, chicken teppan, yasai etame, kaisen udon, pan-fried gyoza, and the juicy salmon teppan, all cooked perfectly. Now let's fire up the flavors at the Smokeless Grill, a signature experience at Sambo Kojin. You can choose from a wide selection of marinated meats, fresh seafood, and vegetables. Then grill them to your liking right at your table, without the smoke. It's interactive, fun, and perfect for sharing with your loved one. Finally, don't miss out on Dad's World Buffet Station. This station brings the world to your plate. It's the perfect way to explore even more cuisines while enjoying the best Japanese and Filipino favorites. From hearty roasted beef, Dad's ham, fried chicken, crispy pork belly, Dad's paella, spaghetti bolognese, birthday noodles, burger patty in mushroom sauce, Dad's special kalyas, complemented with a warm bowl of creamy seafood soup. Along with Chinese siopaw buns, pork siomai, chicken feet, and yang chow fried rice. Other Asian favorites we tried and liked were the Korean fried chicken, spicy pork, Korean soft tofu stew sondobu jjigae, beef and rice cake, tteokbokki, seafood okonomiyaki, and the spicy gochujang soup, which complements the meal. Next stop is the Kamayan Station, where Filipino favorites bring comfort and joy. We started with tasty appetizers like crispy okoy, nilasing na hipon, tokwat baboy, crispy fried spinach, and kinds of achara as a side dish. Hearty Filipino dishes you love are pakbet, laing sa gata, kilawing puso, and the flavorful buffets. Don't miss the all-time favorites, Kamayan kare-kare, kuhol sa gata, savory dinuguan, and sizzling sisig. And of course, we pair it all with garlic fried rice. Over at the Saisaki Classics Station, sushi lovers will feel right at home. We enjoy a wide selection of colorful sushi, salmon sashimi, maki rolls, and Japanese appetizers and salads, all made fresh daily. It's a colorful feast that perfectly complements our Smokeless Grill and buffet experience. The dessert station brings the world of sweetness to our taste buds with fresh local fruits, native kakanin, assorted mini cakes, ice cream, and everyone's favorite cooler, halo-halo. You can also enjoy unlimited cold beverages and hot tea served by friendly and courteous waitstaff. When planning your event for the holiday season, don't let the rush leave you stressed and exhausted. Plan ahead of time and reserve your upcoming celebrations at Sambo Kojin and avail of their enticing promo, the Let's Celebrate Gift Check promo, where you can buy one buffet gift check for only 600 pesos with almost 40% discount and no additional payment required. A perfect gift for birthdays, Christmas, and any special occasion. You can purchase one or more gift checks for your friends, family, and loved ones from September 8 to October 15, 2025, with a redemption period until February 28, 2026. Gift checks are not valid on the same day of purchase but can be used the next day after purchase, depending on the availability of seats on a prepared date and branch. Sambo Kojin West Avenue is a perfect venue for large parties exclusively using their promo offer, the 1 free for group of 10 and the big savings for big groups promo. For groups of 10 to 30 packs or more at affordable group rates. For inquiries about their promo mechanics and advanced reservations, you can message them via their Facebook Messenger or call 8921-2873 and 0917-898-8844. We'll see you on our next food trip. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching.